Hi friends, welcome back. 2025 is a wild year. Just look around. People are losing jobs. Mid-career professionals are being replaced by AI. Layoffs are everywhere. Industries collapsing, clients disappearing overnight. And at the same time, some people are growing like never before, earning more than they ever imagined, building powerful personal brands, starting companies, traveling the world, speaking on global stages. How is this possible? How can the same world create suffering to some and massive success for others? Today, I want to tell you my story. The real story of how I built NexaLearn.org and Deutsch Mit Sajin from nothing, and how seven skills completely changed my life. My name is Sajin. I am a German tutor, entrepreneur, and founder of NexaLearn.org. A few years ago, I felt lost, confused, and directionless. I had no idea what I wanted, financially struggling and scared about the future. But these skills changed my life completely. And if they changed mine, they can change yours too. So, watch till the end because I will show you exactly how to start today. Skill number one, communication and storytelling. When I started teaching German, I realized something powerful. People don't learn language through grammar, they learn through emotions and stories. I started posting small videos online. No expensive studio, no equipment, no team, just my phone and passion. Those small videos changed my life. Suddenly, people from Germany, Austria, African countries, and even from India and even Dubai began reaching out. That became Deutsch Mit Sajin, a global community of learners. Without communication, I would still be silent, frustrated, invisible. So, if you are watching this, learn to communicate, learn to speak, learn to tell stories because communication can change your destiny. Skill number two, video editing. Do you know who edited my first video? Me. I learned everything on YouTube at 1 a.m. How to cut a video, how to add subtitle, how to fix audio noise. And that built the foundation of my brand. Today, NexaLearn produces professional learning content, high quality reels, and educational videos. And it all started because I learned video editing myself. In the world of AI, video editing plus storytelling is gold. Skill number three, AI prompting. AI changed everything. And instead of getting scared, I decided to master it. I learned the prompting. I experimented with the tools. I automated manual work and I started using AI in education, content, and business. Today, Nexaland uses AI to create smart learning systems, content assistant, automated support, curriculum design. AI does not take away any jobs. AI takes away jobs from people who don't learn AI. Skill number four, public speaking. Few years ago, I was afraid to talk in front of people, but I forced myself to step on stage. The first workshop I ever conducted had only 7 students. Today, I have trained more than 800 of students from India and across the Europe. Public speaking helped me building trust, building community, build a business, and speak confidently about what I believe in. If you want opportunities in life, learn to speak. It will open doors you never knew existed. Skill number five, writing and teaching. My life changed the day I wrote my first German caption on Instagram. Writing turned into teaching, teaching turned into community, community turned into nexalent.org. Never underestimate writing. Words can change lives. Skill number six, sales and personal branding. Education is not just about knowledge, it is about reaching people. I learned how to build trust, communicate value, market smartly, and turn skills into income ethically. That helped me build nexalent.org into a real business, not just a hobby. If you don't learn sales, you depend on luck. If you learn sales, you control your life. Skill number seven, self care and discipline. What is the point of success if you are mentally broken, physically weak, and emotionally exhausted? I learned discipline, consistency, saying no, health, silence, routines, and gratitude, and that is the real wealth. Your 20s and 30s define your 40s and 50s. Build habits now or regret later. If you feel lost today, if you are scared about your future, if you are stuck in a job you hate, please understand I was there too. The world is changing fast. AI is rewriting everything. But the truth is, this is the best time in history to reinvent yourself. Start learning one skill, just one, and everything will change. If you want guidance to learn German, get clarity, grow, and build a future proof career, join me at NexaLearn.org and be part of a global learning family. Don't wait for luck, don't wait for permission. Start today. Thank you for watching. I'm Sajin signing off. See you in the next video. Take care.